Things are taking a turn for the worse rapidly this morning. The rainfall already beginning to move in. Now we've got an upgrade to a high wind warning. This is from noon until 7 p.m. We have a wind advisory that surrounds the high wind warning this morning, and then that continues past the high wind warning after 7 p.m. tonight through 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. So lots of wind, and some of that wind could be destructive later on this afternoon, could cause some power outages. Some of the wind gusts could exceed 50 to 60 miles per hour. So pretty much all of our viewing area under that high wind warning. The center of the storm system just out to our west. The north side of it, lots of snowfall. South side of it, tornado watch here over the deep south. In the middle, our severe weather threat is very low as far as thunderstorm activity, but you really don't need thunderstorms when the overall storm system is this strong to produce some damaging wind gusts. So as we look live at Max HC radar, you can see the progress of that rain moving from west to east and now pretty wet over metro Louisville. Some heavier pockets of rain just out to the west, moving through Harrison County around Corden up to Palmyra, and pretty saturated and soggy up Interstate 65 north of Louisville as well. So Futurecast shows our soggy start this morning. Scattered showers, maybe a few thunderstorms this afternoon. Fairly mild though for this time of the year, as we make it into the 50s this afternoon with those very, very strong wind gusts. And then after sunset, the cold air comes crashing in. It'll stay windy. We'll have some flurries out there. No accumulation expected with that. And then just very cold air on the way this weekend. Definitely don't want any power outages with the cold air. We definitely need the furnaces and heaters working hard this weekend. Upper 20s, lower 30s for our highs here tomorrow afternoon. It'll feel a lot colder than that with winds 20 to 40 miles per hour. Wind chills in the teens for tomorrow, and then single-digit wind chills Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Rainfall totals around a half-inch southeast up to possibly 2 inches to the northwest. In the middle, perhaps exceeding about an inch of rainfall in Louisville by later on today. Wind chills, extreme cold is the next story here in the teens and 20s for tomorrow. The extreme cold is worse to the northwest, but nonetheless, some sub-zero wind chills possible for us as we head into Sunday morning, keeping those single-digit wind chills into Monday and also into Tuesday, and it stays possibly below freezing for most of next week. A very prolonged period of some cold weather. For you snow lovers out there, bad news. So the next storm system with that cold air in place looks like it's tracking weaker and farther to the south. So little to no snow accumulation expected Monday into Sunday and into next Monday. Tuesday, chance for a little bit of light snowfall. Big dip in the jet stream has keeping the door wide open to waves of cold air. The Polar Express heading right down to the Ohio Valley from Canada through next week, possibly into our following weekend, January 20th. Rain and very strong wind today. Your forecast high 54 degrees. Temperatures turning colder quickly tonight. Low temperature 27 and some flurries out there. And then it's a prolonged cold stretch for us. Only 19 your high on Sunday, down to 11 degrees Sunday night, and we keep it in the 20s through next Wednesday with, again, maybe a few light snow showers on Tuesday. Little hope of any significant accumulation for us as far as snowfall next week, and still below freezing next Thursday. Back